because we don't really know what's going to happen next. We're all put here in this life as if it were some kind of game to see who could be the most successful one or the most happy one. The show isn't always about cars, but to me it's more about the people you're around. My name is Joshua Wynn, and I'm 24, and I'm honestly just living life. The best part of it is the company we're all around, and the ones that can keep you up. Here's to a start of something new. This is the IB family. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, hit the subscribe button right now. This is the Iceyyyboyz channel, and we are back. I know it's been a while since we vlogged, but it's been busy. We've been doing a lot of things and taking care of a lot of orders and work, you know. And recently, last week, Dallas got his car registered. He got it registered and it's smogged. So that is out of the way. He could actually drive his car on the street legally. But anyways, today we are actually going to Best Tires to get his alignment because he hasn't had alignment since he took out the motor. Actually, it's been a couple, let's say a year and a half maybe. But it's good to be back. Before I start the video, the clips you saw before this, it's basically like a trailer of what we have in store this year. It's more like a little of a piece of our lives without the cars. But just stay tuned and I hope you guys like it. This Saturday, actually Saturday I think, we are actually going to Grange, and it will be Dallas's first drift event with the 1JZ that is successfully running, because we did go to Grange and his car was not running before, and we rented out, we got a trailer, and then we borrowed one of our friend's truck, and it all failed because he literally just drove on the track and did not drift at all. But his car is running great, so we are actually gonna go this Saturday to Grange. So if you guys are not doing anything Saturday, head to Grange and say what's up to us. All that being said, I'm actually waiting for Dallas so we could go to Best Tire Shop and get alignment. So let's start the day. Yo. We're back with the vlogs, fam. Look at that shirt, though.
Don't rock a Rocket Bunny kit.
Yeah. Fuck Rocket Bunny. It's actually been like a month since we vlogged, and we're back. But Dallas's car is outside right now, and check it out. It's fucking rap, brother.
Yeah, bro, that was gonna say.
So Hoffman's been covering the car because it's been like super rainy, and on one night it was raining and his car was like tripping out. It was like a ghost.
Water gets inside the dash, I don't know how.
Yeah, and then I guess the rain. Yeah, so, but anyways, Dallas is trying to make it look stock so he doesn't get pulled over, but he got the stock rear from Parker, our friend Parker. Shout out to him. Oh yeah, and then he got the front bumper, stock front bumper. Looks super stock with the license plate on. License plate. But yeah, super stock, if you ask me. Except for that fat ass exhaust. But other than that, it looks stock, kinda. What do you guys think? Shit ain't stock at all, bro. I said this shit ain't stock at all. This fool is trying to do to cover the 1J cover up and put a Lexus emblem. They popped in the show these. So he wanted to paint it, but it's in great.
5-minute Bondo job.
You can still see like the
Toyota badge.
Yeah, sick, right there. But we're gonna wrap it and see if it actually covers, so it'll look a little bit better.
And I need to not
have gold piping. Yeah, maybe that purple. We'll say something about that purple too. We've been gone for so long. I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the daily. This is how she sits. Yeah, the black wheels are pretty ugly. They are still for sale. I know a couple of you guys hit me up, but I will not ship. It's only pickup. And yeah. Oh, the MB battles, if you guys are wondering where they are actually sold. I actually hit a pothole. During rainy seasons, dude, there's potholes everywhere, so yeah, I actually hit a fat pothole and it bent one wheel and I sold them. The guy said he could fix it or buy a new one and then re-chrome it, so I was like, you know what, I'll sell it for cheap, so I sold it. But, oh yeah, and I also got it tinted, if you guys noticed. Shout out to Stark Tinting, one of my homies from high school. Yeah, he has a tinting business, so if you guys need anything tinted, hit him up. Stark Tinting down here. But yeah, it's actually, I think, 25% all around, so it's not that illegal. But another update, I told you guys that I would get this. A harness bar, but I got no harnesses or no race seats, but I don't know, I just wanted to have one. It's pretty cool. It's super racer to me. Like what Gus would say, it's a Honda Civic. Nothing wrong about Honda Civics. I actually love Civics. The EKs are pretty tight. But yeah, that's basically the update for the daily. Just got a new tint, put the old wheels on, and I'm actually looking for some wheels, but I can't find the ones I want, and that's classified. Oh shit, we got a dead body in the truck! I'm gonna be riding in the back. Gus is gonna ride in front. It's like a roller coaster ride. Hopefully we don't hit something, because I'll probably die. Gotta get that coffee dough. Jesus. Hey. I haven't been back here in a minute. Now there's a bar. Hold up, don't drive yet. You're gonna spill my coffee. This is my first time legally, quote unquote, on the streets. Hell yeah, brother. Who's that one time, blood?
See, how is it legal for you to do this but illegal for us? It makes no sense. How'd the MR2 legally do this?
I don't know. That was tight though. Man, it feels good to be back in this car, man. Last time we rode in it, well, driving around the neighborhood didn't really count, huh? What'd you say?
I don't know. We took it for our first drive the other day.
Oh, you guys did. I didn't. I'm pretty sure it felt good to hog
We've
on
only hit the main street one time that one time.
Oh, barely.
Yeah.
Dallas got his game face on though.
Not the game face. It's that I need to keep this car straight face.
Yeah, pretty much, but it was good.
I need to keep it quiet and straight.
Yeah.
That's why I
Because the
told
climate's
him
pretty bad.
That's why I told him as fast as he can, go to 5th gear always. Just ride 5th.
Yeah, it's quiet, dude.
That's why
It's actually quiet right now. Like, it's only loud on the streets because everything's echoing too.
I feel like it's not even really loud.
Yeah, that's true.
I feel like you hear boost more than you hear the exhaust.
Yeah, but it was good.
All the way to the left.
Lit. Look at these cars, fam. These cars.
I think you're.
No, they moved stores. They're up there.
This lady's vlogging.
Yeah, so just gotta wait. Damn, look at these cars. Lit. We're at Best Tire Shop. And Hoffman is trying to get his alignment. Hey, how's the temp? What?
I said waiting for it to go down a little.
Oh, okay. Pull up.
If there's any screws in there, we can't afford that one.
Fine.
It's like right. It's super low, yeah. I could have pulled it up for you. Keep it in like 1100s.
Damn, that's super hard. Supra is super hard. That Supra is super hard. We just got Dallas's car aligned, so shout out to Best Tire and Vic for helping us out.
And Gus.
Gus for
For
what?
always having cash.
Oh yeah, that's right. Because Dallas didn't have cash and he was trying to pay credit, but it didn't work.
Well, they don't accept this card.
But yeah, they don't accept his card because who accepts American Express? Wait, we were supposed to guide this fool. You're good. Alright, you're Gucci. Watch out for the tires. Yeah, go more to the over here. Yeah, there you go. There you go, straight now. Straight. You're good. Straight. What's going on, guys? Just got home. That'll be the end of the video. It was awesome to vlog again for you guys. I know I'm gonna keep this a little bit short, but this Saturday, this drift event is gonna be lit. So I will be vlogging, and if you guys come see us, say what's up, you know. But this Saturday, Dallas will be drifting for the first time with the 1J. So I'm pretty stoked on that. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you Saturday with a new vlog. Deuces, guys.